Okay guys, here we are at North Central. This is Mikey. She's not very tall. She's definitely got Dane in the mix. Come here, Mikey. Come here. Very pretty girl. She's very young. I'm not sure she's a year old. She's really a cute dog. The bad news is that she's still on a microchip hold with a possible owner now until January 28th. So all we can do is wait and watch. She's real quiet, real calm in here. You can see she stands up pretty tall. She's really skinny. She's a really skinny girl, huh? Unfortunately, I can't take her out of the kennel now until January 28th. They didn't get the letter out to the owner soon enough, so the owner still has 10 days. Hey, you! Hey! You're such a pretty girl. You are. Can I put my hand in? Can I put my hand in? I can put my hand in. Can I pet her? Yes. Yes, she likes being petted. My baby girl. Pretty girl. She's a pretty girl. She's a pretty girl. She's jumped up so I can pet her. I'm sorry you're being in there. Crap, she's been in here for 10 days already. And they're just now sending the letter, so she's just now going. This is a sweet dog. She's just a puppy. I don't know how old. I don't think she's a year old, and I don't think she's purebred Dane. But she's a darling dog. Absolutely darling. No medical notes, no behavior notes. Everything is the status quo at this point. Okay. Let us see your pretty face again. Come on, jump up here. Good girl. Good girl. Pretty girl. She is a pretty girl, and she's a sweet girl. I'll be back to see you again. I will. Not to worry. I'll be back. Yeah, you smell the doggies. Well, you can't keep my arm. You smell the doggies on me. Okay, guys, this is Mikey at North Central. What a pretty dog.